1 sec, 1 minute, 1 sec, 1 minute, 1 sec, 1 minute.
Jan 29th को सिक्का हिलेगा, as you can clearly see, gentlemen and ladies, of course. Hello and welcome to the मस्तीज़ादे यार, जिसे दुनिया कहती है हरामज़ादा, जिसे प्यार से लड़कियां कहती है और ज्यादा, वही होता है असली मस्तीज़ादा. What a wonderful quotation, almost as if Shakespeare has said this. The nation wants to know, what is this और ज्यादा? The मस्तीज़ादे's claim that they will take you on one ride. Take you? Take you where? That's the question. To the bedroom, to the bathroom, or will they take us just about anywhere? The nation needs to know. And joining me on this raring debate are the true Mastizades themselves. Mr. Milab Zaveri, Mastizada, well-known Mastizada from Wakola. Mr. Veer Das, well-known stand-up Mastizada from Delhi. Mr. Shad Randhawa, famous Mastizada from Mangalore. And of course, the one and only, the lovely, the sexy, the gorgeous, and the extremely hot me, Arnab. Thank you so much for joining me. My first question is to Milab Zaveri. You are going to take everyone on one turkey ride? I got a friend, Malayali friend, whose name is Varki. But what is this turkey?
Well, Varki can also be turkey. हम सबके अंदर एक turkey है, and a turkey is inside all of us.
Inside all of us. Can you exactly specify where?
Oh, in our whole, I mean, in our souls, turkey is in all our souls.
Inside our souls. So are you trying to tell me that Mastizade will enlighten us?
Yes, I want all of you to come on this journey of this film. Come to the theatres on 29 January.
Wonderful, wonderful. Let me take this across to Mr. Shad. Mr. Shad, you have said in this film कि एक बार एक किसी का पकड़ लेती है तो कभी नहीं छोड़ती हाथ. So is she going to be our guide throughout this film?
Yes, definitely yes. She's going to be a guide. She's going to be a chief guide. Veer is going to be the guide. Suresh is going to be the guide. I'm going to be the guide. We all are very good guiders. Tushar will also be the guide.
Speaking of Tushar, let me ask you this question. Where is he, Mr. Das?
Yeah, Barkha, the real question is not, where is he, but, I'm sure he's doing it somewhere.
Let me tell you, my name is Arnab Ennadaswamy.
Yeah, I'm sure he's doing it somewhere.
No, please, what is he doing?
Yeah, Rajdeep, the question is not what is he doing, but who is doing, Rajdeep. You know what I mean?
Doing what, sir?
Okay, yeah, sorry. So, whatever he's doing, na Rahul, I'm sure he's doing masti somewhere.
Once again, sir, I'm Arnab Ennadaswamy. Just understand that this is for your kind reference and context next time you talk to me, sir. Mr. Milab, first you did masti, then you did Gand Masti.
Grand Masti, not Gand Masti. Don't put words in my mouth like Gand.
What did I say?
You said Gand. I don't like Gand. I have a big one, but I did only Grand Masti. Please remember that.
Never mind. Mr. Das, is it true that you love French fries?
Yeah, Koyal, I love French period.
Sir, request you not to call me Koyal on national television. Let's take this one-on-one. Never, ever call me Koyal on national television, sir. Maybe you meant that you love having French.
No, I love getting French. Get it? Getting French. The joke. No, pause the program. You have to laugh. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Wonderful, sir.
Thank
Personally,
you.
I love getting Indian.
Please carry on.
But sir, is it not true that you lost some French fries during making of this film? Did you find those French fries?
They were below the mountains.
I'm sure. Below the mountains, outlet of McDonald's, isn't it? But Mr. Shah, taking this question across to you, is it true that you can tell time by touching a donkey's balls?
What?
Can you tell time by touching a donkey's balls?
Did you just ask me that question?
Yes, sir.
Arnab, did you just ask me that question on national television? Are you accusing me of touching donkey's balls here? Did you not see the promo?
Then whose balls were you playing with, sir?
Are my uncle's balls I was playing with, man. What is it to you?
Sir, this is all balls right now. Calm down, Mr. Shah. Let me ask Mr. Veer Das again.
How can you talk like that to me?
Mr. Veer, you were playing with the donkey's balls. What was the donkey playing with?
My feelings.
With your feelings?
We were very close, Nidhi. But the donkey was also playing with his bat.
Nidhi, I think you're a donkey, sir. Anyway, let me tell you one more thing. That the dog, forget the donkey. We also have a horse in this film with us. And there was a song on this horse. Lakdi pe kaati, kaati pe goda, gode ke bum pe mara hatoda. What did the horse feel when the bum was hit by hatoda? Let's ask if an actual hatoda was used on the horse's bum. Mr. Horse, please come in. nahi. Yes, sir. Mr. Das, what are you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? Are you from a joint family, sir? You can't do this over here. Mr. Das, please stop it. Stop horsing around. Mr. Das, clearly, you want to tell the audience that a friend in weed is a friend in weed indeed. Whatever that meant, sir. Okay, Mr. Hoss, right now, sorry, sir. Were you hurt during making of this film? Nahi. Thank you so much. Clearly, a clear answer. Simple answer. Nahi. That means no. One more piece of information that has just come in right now is that in Mastizade there is Sunny Leone playing a double role. Twin sisters with the name like Lily and Leila Lele. With names like Lily and Leila Lele rather. I just want to say one thing over here. Hi Sunny. That's all we have from here, unfortunately, because she had to go for some other commitments. And let me take this question across to...
Talk to me like that, Arnab.
One second.
Mr. Shah. You know how many... I'm on Twitter.
Mr.
I'm
Shah.
on Instagram. I'm on Facebook.
Your Instagram account, what do you have to do with that?
On Instagram.
You're on national television right now.
47 on
It's Mastizade Aar, sir.
What do you think they're going to think of me?
Sir, why are you doing that? Sir, please calm down, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. One final question. Quickly, one final question for all of you all over here. Tell me something. The movie is released today and a lot of people who have not seen Mastizade. क्या वो लोग थिएटर में जाके टिकट ले टिकट जाके ले रे वंडरफुल सॉन्ग ओवर देयर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी आई कैन सेफली से कि सिक्का जरूर उछलेगा everyone will pass and everyone will come and to you Mastizadas on this wonderful journey let me say a job well done congratulations to all of you all congratulations Milap. Well done, Rongita. Well done, everybody. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's all for tonight. And wherever you all are actually at this moment, please go and buy a ticket for Mastizada. Because I want to say one thing which is written in Hindi again. Whether you live in a building or a basti, keep doing masti. आपको भी लोग कहेंगे महान हस्ती.
महान हस्ती नहीं अर्नब, मस्ती ज़्यादा.
Right. मस्ती हमेशा ज़्यादा ही करनी चाहिए. मस्ती हमेशा ज़्यादा ही करनी चाहिए.
Thank you, Pranoy.
Once again, sir, what did you just call me? You can't do that on national television. Never again call me Pranoy. This thing is right over here. Mr. Veerdas, I'm coming over there to get you right now. What is this nonsense? I'm not Pranoy. I'm Arnab Ennada Swamy. What's wrong with you, sir? You all left. Excuse me, hello? You can't leave me like this. Anyway, for audiences watching me right now, please watch Mastizade.
Please go watch
and have a small
Don't
preview of this film that's just released. Thank you so much for it. Thank you.
He accuses you of touching balls and horses and donkeys and makes you a... your image.
सिक्का हिला तो पास.
फिक्र मत कीजिए, आपको शिकायत का मौका नहीं दूंगा.